Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. This is Stuart from Inner Visions Academy, and today we are going to do combined science ordinary level. So, today we are talking about a balanced diet. Remember, last time we spoke about the main nutrients that you find in a balanced diet, and we want to define again what is a balanced diet. A balanced diet is a diet which contains all the food nutrients in their correct proportions, which means it's a diet which contains all the food that you require for a healthy living to give a healthy and an active body. So remember, from the definition, it is important for you to identify the components of a balanced diet. And when we talk of the components, we are talking of things like the main items that are found in a balanced diet. So we have carbohydrates. Carbohydrates is one component. We also have proteins, we have fats, we have roughage, we have vitamins, we have water, we have iodine, we have calcium, and finally we have got iron. So all these components are important in a balanced diet. So we need to find out the food sources. Where do we get these items? How do we get the components? How do we get these nutrients? So for example, in carbohydrates, you get carbohydrates from bread, from rice, from salsa, from potatoes, anything that contains starch. For example, when you are eating your food, the main component of the meal, the starch component of the meal, is usually carbohydrates. And the carbohydrates, they are there to provide energy and to keep the body functioning properly. They give you the energy to go on. The next on the list is proteins. Where do we get proteins from? We get proteins from food items such as eggs, fish, beef, beans, all those ischebo or murio. In Shona we call it murio or usavi. That is where you gain the proteins from. And what is the use of the proteins inside of the body? The proteins are for growth and also for repair of worn out tissue. So the third component in our diet is fats. Where do we get fats from, you may ask? We get fats from fatty meat, from milk, from flying ants, or we call them tambarafuta or ishwa. Those are the main sources of fats. Even in cooking oil, margarine, all those items contain fats. And what is the use of fat in our diet, in our bodies? Why do we need fats? We need to have energy reserves. So fats are there to conserve energy, to have a what? A tank of energy, and also for protection of what? Delicate body organs in the body. So for example, the liver is covered in fats. Our brain is covered in fats. Our heart is also protected by fats. So fats are there to protect body organs. So the next component we will discuss is vitamins. Where do we get vitamins? What are the food sources for vitamins? Vitamins are usually found in fruits and in vegetables. We have got many types of vitamins. We've got vitamin A, we've got vitamin B, we've got vitamin C, we've got vitamin D. All those are different forms of vitamins. So for example, vitamin A, it improves your eyesight and also prevent poor night vision. So for your eyes, you need vitamin A, and you find vitamin A in fruits and vegetables. Vitamin B is called pyridoxine, right? Vitamin C is prevents the bleeding of gums. It also is for wound healing and preventing scurvy. Scurvy is a disease, right, which is characterized by a deficiency of vitamin C. Vitamin D, it helps for strong bone formation and also absorption of calcium. It also helps to prevent rickets, the bending of the legs, especially in young children. Because when you lack vitamin D, your bones become weak and the weight of the body forces the legs or the bones to bend, thereby creating a condition known as rickets. So for today, we will end here. I will see you in the next session when we continue with the nutrients necessary for a balanced diet. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next one.